Hi, another day, another surgery. So today, nag-follow up po yung ating patient from Winnipeg, Canada. Ano? So I did actually revision because she had silicone rhinoplasty many years ago. Then nagkaroon ng infection. No? Medyo tiniis ni ma'am. She took antibiotics when she was in Canada. No? Then she came over kasi sobrang swollen. No? Yung kanyang nose. We were thinking of putting irradiated rib. So, nung inopen up ko yung kanyang nose, nakita ko yung severe infection inside. I removed the implant. And hindi pwedeng lagyan ng another implant na foreign body, irradiated rib or whatever. So, I placed the cartilage, her own cartilage. No? So, now, nako, napakaganda ng antulis na uli. Then hindi bumagsak, no? So what can you say, ma'am, about your new nose?
Satisfied and happy.
Yan,
Thank
okay,
you,
ma'am,
Doc. Thank you,
na-preserve
Doc.
natin, ma'am, yung inyong bridge, no?
Yeah, yung bridge,
Then the
oh.
tip. So,
Yung nga inaano ko, baka mawala yung bridge.
Yeah, pero yan, na-preserve natin. And sobrang liit na
Okay.
compared before nung pumunta ka, ma'am, no? Then she'll be going back to Canada already.
Yeah, next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much, ma'am. Maraming salamat po, no? Yan.
I've been suffering for 9 months for this.
For 9 months,
9
yeah.
months ko sinapper yan, oo.
Okay na, you can work na po, no?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you to
Yes,
Doc.
yes. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Another day, another surgery.
Thank you. Yeah.